Yo, we are live. What's going on, guys? What's up? Good evening. As I always say, guys, it's a good day to have a good day. How the hell are you guys doing tonight? Market's looking green. Market is looking good. We're going to have a look at it, guys. We got some things to get into. Not going to be an incredibly long live stream, probably similar to the one a couple of hours ago. But let's dive into it, man. Hopefully you guys are liking the new format, the live streams, as opposed to the pre-recorded videos. So let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Actually, let me just go ahead and let me just let everybody know over on the Patreon that we're live, because I don't think I did. I don't think that I did. So just give me 2 seconds. Share the link over there so that they know what's going down. In the meantime, how are you guys feeling, man? How you guys feeling? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Answer the question in the survey, guys, in the poll. Let's see how everybody's feeling today. I'm feeling great tonight, guys. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling a little bit healthier. The voice still doesn't last very long, but we're here nonetheless. So, yeah. All right, guys, we got some stuff to get into, so let's get to it. The chat is kind of dead. No one's talking. So, Alex, I see you, buddy. What's going on, my dude? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. All right, let's get into the news again, since nobody's really talking. We'll get into the chat afterwards, I suppose. Okay, first things first, looking across the altcoin market, guys. Kind of a mixed bag. Everything's looks kind of green, though. Zebec looking nice, up 8%. Ondo, Supra, very nice. XPR, not too bad, not too bad. Let's go a little bit broader, though. Not really much red out there tonight, guys. Not much red. You love to see that. Oh, Walrus looking good. Let's go even broader than that. Top 100. Port Liberty Financial still just kind of treading sideways there. Still just kind of. We made some pretty good money on shorting that yesterday over on the Patreon, guys. Made some good cash Ola doing that. Perez feeling bullish, but still getting beaten down. I was on it. I was posting it in the chat. My guy. Myrdid, what's up, buddy? That tells me we're bullish as hell. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right. So, yeah, just, it looks kind of healthy. Looks kind of good. A little bit of a positive sentiment out there in the market. Not bad. Let's go look at the Bitcoin chart, though, see what's going on. Bitcoin did not close above 110 or 112,000. We kept rejecting off the 100-day SMA, sitting at $111,707. We rejected off there twice today, sitting at 110,977. Guys, I told you guys we probably were not going to break above there. We're probably going to come back down again, to be honest. I wouldn't be shocked to see one final little shakeout here, come back down to around 108,250 or something, shake some people out, and then maybe we make another run at it, right? That would not surprise me in the least. Tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is a big day. Now, earlier in the live stream earlier today, we talked about the data coming out, jobs numbers coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow's probably going to be a pretty volatile day. So with economic data coming out, we are probably going to see some volatility, so I would not recommend doing any kind of leverage trading until we see the smoke settle on that. Still bad cough, though, guys. Rightly Divided makes another one. 2 in 1 day. There you go, man. It's a 2-for-1 special. Let's get it. Ben picked up some cookie this morning. Nice. That's a good scoop up, man. I love me some cookie. Dave, what's up, man? Good to hear you, brother. Good to hear you too, man. Josh, are you doing Zoom call tonight? Probably, if my voice holds up. Motives, do you think Ondo will pump the announcement tomorrow? I think it could be kind of a dump, kind of a sell the news event, to be honest with you, man. If it dumps, I'll probably buy some. So, let's go, Roberto. How you feeling, man? My voice is still, I keep losing it, right? That's why these live streams are only about 15, 20 minutes long, because my voice doesn't last any longer than that. And then right? And even just talking to you guys right now, I feel like I'm yelling at the top of my lungs, and it's a lot of pressure on my throat. I'm really swollen, so not great, man. Alex, we're thinking Pith is a good buy, brother. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. David, what's up, buddy? Bought more Pangoot. Nice. Nice. Little pudgy penguins in the house for you. So, yeah, Bitcoin probably going to come back down, guys. At least retest 109,200, but probably going to retest 108,200. Shake some more people out. Shannon, what's up, man? Thanks for everything you do. Hey, no problem. Ari, I see you, Ari. How you doing? All right, let's continue on here. What else is going on? Let's go look at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum's ready to blow, guys. It is ready to explode. 4,300. Yeah, I mean, Ethereum's probably going to have a nice break to the upside here. Wouldn't be surprised if ETH made a move tomorrow, maybe tested resistance here at 45.90 and see what happens from there, right? But ETH looks like it's ready to start going here. There she is. Gamma Goddess in the house. Good evening, Rob. Let's get this money. Absolutely. Facts. My dude. Where have you been, my guy? Good to see you, man. How Ondo isn't pumping on such insane news is crazy. The manipulation. Right? I thought that was nuts. I really did think that Ondo was going to pump today. I did. But it's only up like 7%, right? So, but, I mean, hey, what are you going to do, right? I'll tell you this much, man. If Ondo sells off tomorrow, if it is a sell the news but no buy the rumor, I'm going to probably scoop up a bunch, to be honest with you, man. Because, man, I love me some Ondo. I love me some Ondo. Rise Above, what's going on? David bought MOR, ABT, and PNG. Nice. There you go. Isaac, my dude, what's up, brother? Does our profit taking being prolonged change a conservative? No, everyone keeps asking me that. Like, no, our exit price points, nothing has changed our exit price points at this point in time. Nothing. Alex, what is the Ono and Pith news that people are mentioning? If Rob can answer or anyone in the chat can help me out. I'll try to word it for you here. Hang on. As for Pith, the news for Pith was that the U.S. government is using Pith to put data on chain, basically, right? So, I mean, they're being used. Pith is literally being used by the American government for utilization purposes. As for Ondo Finance is launching over 100 stocks and ETFs on Ethereum tomorrow, September 3rd, right? Via its global market initiatives, potentially driving bullish sentiment for the Ondo token. So, basically, they're putting a bunch of tokenizing over 100 stocks and ETFs on Ethereum tomorrow. Boom. To sum it up as quickly as I can. Beebs, and they're also used by BlackRock. So, for those purposes. Beebs, what's up, my guy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Beebs, I don't know if you heard me or not. I was telling Otaku last night. I bought my tickets yesterday for for Bitcoin Las Vegas in April. So I will be there. I will be there making content for the channel this April. So very, very bullish. I told Otaku that he better hurry up and get his tickets. I already booked my hotel. I already paid for everything. I'm good to go. I'm secure. I will be at Bitcoin Las Vegas in April, man. Big Mike, got my back. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. Super chats have been kind of lean lately. Probably because I haven't been around lately. But yeah, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Beebs, Rob, I noticed Crypto Blueprint doesn't show you're currently live because I'm not streaming over there right now. Lizzie, just want to say thank you for the Chronicle video today. It showed my mom and really helped me. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I'm gonna try to do more of those kind of type of videos. You guys seem to like that stuff, so I'm trying to revamp things a little bit, right? Keep it fresh, keep it going, keep it popping. Jack stacked and fanny packed. You guys know what it is. Milk money in the house. Good evening, Viva Las Vegas. Alex, thanks heaps, brother. I thought there might have been some new Pith news. Did you see the recent tweet? Yeah, Pith actually. I covered that earlier today. They do have an announcement coming out tomorrow, from what I understand. So, Lizzie, anyways, love you, brother Rob, and all of you Patreon crypto fam jam. Absolutely. Lizzie strongly recommends anybody who's not on the Patreon get over there pronto, because you are missing out. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Because here's the thing, guys. I just dropped another swing trade video over on the Patreon today. So you're not going to want to miss it, man. Nia, how are you? WrestleMania is April 18th and 19th, only a few days before the Bitcoin conference. Is it 18th and 19th? I thought that WrestleMania was going to be on the 1st or 2nd, and then the Bitcoin conference was going to be on the 27th, 29th. But here's the thing, though. I would love to stay for WrestleMania as well, but that's a lot of money. That's a long time to stay in Las Vegas, right? The 18th until the 29th, that's like 11 days. That's a long time to be staying there. I'm pretty sure my wife would change the locks on the door when I came home if I was gone to Las Vegas for 11 days, right? David, Rob, is the footage of your wrestling? Is there footage? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Carlitos, Rob, can you take a look at Swift, please? Thanks. Where do you think it can drop to? Yeah, just give me a second here. If you'll just bear with me for a moment. I will pull up the Swift chart. Just give me a second here, guys. All right, let's have a look at Swift. Swift call. Do I have it up on the top here? No, I do not. Oh, Swift's really kind of bottoming out here, huh? Really kind of bottoming out. I might have to buy some, man. I might have to buy some. Where are we? Yeah, we're right at former resistance and support. A little bit of a tension back here as well. Kind of a significant level. We should hold, in my opinion. We should hold here, provided there isn't like a massive dump in Bitcoin or anything. So, I don't know. Looks like we should hold to me, man. Thanks for everything, Rob. My uncle put me on your Patreon, and as a 20-year-old going through my first cycle, I'm learning so much every day. Much love. Hey, absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Facts. Ondo should easily be up 23, right? This should be up over 100%, man. Honestly, should be up over 100%, in my opinion. We saw Pith. Pith ran up over 100%, right? Didn't it? It ran up like 115% or 17% or something on that news the other day. Beebs, Bitcoin in Las Vegas. Sign me up. Absolutely, man. Spuds, what's up, buddy? Ramona, please, everyone, hit that like and subscribe. Yes, guys, make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe. It's absolutely free to do. Gamma Goddess, thank you, Rob, for all you do for us. Feel better. Thank you. Yeah, my voice, I don't know if you can tell my voice is already kind of burning out. Beeb says 10K in Ondo should turn into 50K by the end of this cycle, in my opinion. Easily. Dadsky, 118%. Yes, that's what it was, 118%. Yeah. So Ondo, I wouldn't say it's a stretch to say Ondo should be up over 100% right now too, right? So yeah, absolutely. All right, let's keep going with the news. See what else we got going on out there. As always, though, guys, we got to give a quick thank you to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Use our link. Get a fantastic deal. 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet today. You can swap, take profits, and even stake your crypto right on your Decent wallets. All right, guys. Now, I talked about the Russell earlier today, but if you missed the live stream, I'm just going to show you guys again. What are we waiting for altcoin season? This is just one more indicator that I use is the Russell. Now, the Russell is small cap stocks, okay? So it's kind of like the altcoins for the stock market, right? And it gives us an idea of the appetite for risk on assets. Now, as you can see, in 2017, this was the high for the Russell, right here. 2017. Actually, you know what? Hang on. So this was the high for the Russell in 2017. Okay, we came close to topping. We came close to touching it here, right back in 2020, 2021 bull run, early 2020, and then we had this rejection, and we had a sharp rejection to the downside here, as you can see, right? And then we went parabolic, and this here. This was the altcoin season of 2021, okay? It went up with the Russell. And then what happened? We came up, we set a new all-time high, right, for the Russell in 2021. November, the peak of the bull run, right there, right? The peak of the 2021 bull run. And then bear market, right? So here's what we've done so far. We've come back up to the old all-time high from the last cycle right here. We rejected off hard, just like we did back here, rejected off hard, V-shaped recovery, V-shaped recovery. We are getting ready for that break. See how we kind of chopped right in this area here? Here. See how we kind of chopped right here for a little bit? And then we went and broke above the previous cycle all-time high here, and we went nuts, right? Well, here we are right now. What are we doing? We're starting to chop right here after the V-shaped recovery. So are we getting ready to break out from the 2021 all-time high for the Russell and go parabolic? And when we do, when we finally break through there and go, well, guess what? Altcoins run parabolically with the Russell. So when you ask me, what are some of the indicators we're waiting for altcoin season to kick off? Well, the Russell is another one of those indicators that we're waiting for. We're waiting for this to break above the previous high, cycle high, and then we're good to go, right? So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, okay? Isaac, my dude, don't yell at me. I appreciate you for simply being yourself. I appreciate you, brother. First Pokemon of the night, by the way, Lickitung in the house. My guy Isaac always got my back, man. Motives, I'm thinking there is a chance Ondo does a Chrono Pith pump in the coming days if enough FOMO volume kicks in. I agree. There's no reason why it shouldn't at the end of the day, right? Do you think Zebec will pump ahead of Moonwell? They're both in the same narrative, man. So to be honest with you, I wouldn't be shocked if they both started going nuts at the same time. Bobby, hey Rob, finally made a live show. My dude, also just upgraded my membership a few days ago. Thank you for the amazing swing trades. Also looking to make some extra cash. Highly recommend Rob's swing trade tier. Absolutely, man. We just dropped another swing trade over there today. We did one yesterday. We dropped another one today. Still feeling 20 cent Jasmy? Yes, I am. Danny, what's up, buddy? When GMC Sierra Denali? Right? Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Do you think Bitcoin can hit 112K this week? Yes, I do think it's possible. We do, guys, keep in mind, we do have a CME gap that needs to be filled up at $116,000. So it is possible that we jump up there and fill that this week, right? It is possible. Do I think Swift can get to 15, 20 cents? I think it's going to go way higher than that. My thoughts on Litecoin, I don't hold Litecoin, but I think that Litecoin has a massive community. I think it will do well. I think that they will get an approval on a spot ETF probably next year. So I think Litecoin will do very, very well. I don't hold any, nor will I ever, but it's not because I have anything against the project. It's too much of a high cap. It's been around too long. I'm just not interested in finding an entry point on Litecoin, to be honest with you. So, all right. What else do we have in the news? Hara-san, CFO of Jasmy, Hara, will join the 15th anniversary blockchain life in Dubai ahead of the next bull run and alt season. Hara shares key insights with 15,000 plus attendees from 130 countries. Ondo speaking in Dubai. Absolutely love to see that, guys. Very, very bullish. And speaking of Hara, Isaac says, who holds the biggest super chat? That would be Andy. I believe Andy sent one for like, I can't remember what it was. Was it like $400 or $300 or something like that? Yeah, I think it's Andy for like $300. I'll say 300. I think 200. Maybe 200, something like that. 213 because it was euros or something like that. So I'm pretty sure it's Andy. All right, we got this here. Classic whale Andy. Yeah, Andy likes to dominate. Ramona held it for a few minutes at $100, and then or $150, I think, and then Andy jumped in there and dropped that cheddar. Hara says, just brainstorming. I'd like to use the Jasmy chain as a platform for community building. I want to create a membership NFT that people with Jasmy chain can earn. Do you remember that commercial from some time ago? Agents who managed our own data. I want to make it visible. So that everyone can have their own agent. I want to increase opportunities for real meetups in different places. If we can, we want to, so like these, look at this. He's trying to build something here for the community where they can host events and NFT holders will be allowed to attend, which I will be one of those people, right? He says, I also want to create a system where people have an NFT, people who have NFTs can automatically get a token every week. Once you have the token, the next thing you can do is micro payments between AI agents in order to gain knowledge and ideas that each other have. So Hara's dropping some real big ideas for the future here for Jasmy chain. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Could not be more bullish. Could not be more bullish. I'm thinking about, I've talked to a few people just on the Patreon. I'm thinking about reaching out to KJ again because we talk and seeing if I can get a tour of Jasmy's home office. If so, I'm going to fly down to Japan and go for a tour. Maybe I'll get lucky and I can meet Hara in person, right? Is 27 cents still a good entry point for Moonwell? 27 cents. Moonwell's not 27 cents. Moonwell is, you mean 2 cents 6? Yes, absolutely. Moonwell is a great pickup right now, in my opinion. Absolutely. Unequivocally. All right, we also got some Zebec stuff to get into, guys, but first I want to cover this article about altcoin season. Check this out. Altcoins signal bullish breakout with cup and handle. The altcoin market appears to be setting up for an explosive move. Analysts and experienced traders are pointing to a well-known technical chart formation, the cup and handle pattern, as a driving force behind the potential surge. This formation typically indicates a bullish continuation and is widely watched by market participants. In this cycle, the cup represents the long period of pain and accumulation the market has endured. Prices slowly recover from a deep lows. Well, we all know what a cup and handle is, so I'm not going to bore you with it. While market moves are rarely predictable, technical analysis suggests that this particular setup doesn't hint at slow, steady growth. Instead, it points to an exponential breakout where prices could rise sharply in a relatively short time frame. The altcoin market currently sits just below key resistance levels. A breakout from the handle section could lead to a massive upward rally driven by renewed investor confidence and institutional capital entering the space. Projections are bold, with some experts eyeing $3 trillion plus market cap for altcoins in the next bullish leg. Such a move would reflect a surge in mainstream adoption, increased utility, and expansion across layer ones, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Merlin the Trader says altcoins are brewing the cup and handle. Every cycle leaves a signature. This one is undeniable. Cup built in pain, handle built in disbelief, breakout built in euphoria. The move from here won't be linear, it will be exponential. There it is, guys. There's your cup and handle pattern on your screen right in front of your face. That's going to melt. Paul, good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Charmander in the house. Second Pokemon of the day. Let's get it. From disbelief to euphoria. This cycle's exponential trajectory mirrors past bull runs. The cup was forged in widespread market pain. The handle is ongoing doubt, but the breakout occurs as expected. Euphoria may soon return to the markets. Let's frickin' go, guys. Still, traders caution against expecting a straight line up. There will be corrections along the way. So are we about to see altcoins explode? Dave, beautiful. Let's freaking go alts. Yes, liquidity. BTC, ETH, and alts doing not too shabby. Jolt report tomorrow. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. We could, if we get bullish news, guys, we could see liftoff. Tola, my guy. What's up, man? Thank you so much for the super sticker. I appreciate you, man. Charmander says, smash that like button, everybody. Absolutely. Danny says, almost there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alex, what time frame is that chart looking at for the cup and handle? That would be the 3 week. The 3 week, I believe. Let me zoom it in here. Yep, the 3 week. So there you go. There you go then. All right. What else do we have? Finally, we have a little clip here from Crypto Chrome. A little bit of a Zebec update for you guys. Zebec super app streams pay in real time. Make sure you give Crypto Chrome a follow on X. Check it out.
Zebec isn't just making another crypto tool. They're building a super app that could change how money moves forever. Think of the Zebec super app like the smartphone of finance. Before smartphones, you needed separate devices for calls, music, maps, and email. Zebec is doing the same for money, combining payroll, remittances, treasury management, DePIN, and multi-chain support into one platform. For beginners, imagine your salary streaming into your account every second, like water flowing from a faucet you can turn on at will. This isn't just faster pay, it's a complete shift in how value moves. Gig workers and freelancers get instant settlement. Businesses can pay teams worldwide without delays. Sending money across borders feels as easy as sending a quick text. And with Zebec's silver, carbon, and black cards, all non-custodial, zero fee, and multi-chain, you can spend your crypto anywhere, just like cash, without a middleman. Where most crypto apps focus on trading and speculation, the Zebec super app is built for real life. The entire financial toolbox in your pocket, ready to work in real time. Now imagine opening one app and watching your money stream in with every moment you work, spend, or receive a payment. No pending, no waiting, just value in constant motion. Could this make the old idea of payday disappear forever? Want more crypto?
That's how it's going to be, guys. Listen, pay is going to be streamed in real time from now on. This is the future, and Zebec is leading the charge. It's really that simple. Carlitos is a 6.4 million Swift bag decent. Oh yeah, for sure, man. Sure, absolutely. All right, let's go back. Rightly Divided says, I'd be happy with it. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. There's people out there with less than $1 million, man. Absolutely. All right, guys, listen, it's been fun. That's absolutely. I'll see if I can. I got to give my throat a rest. I'm really, really sore. It's really swollen, guys. So, funny story, real quick. I said to my wife today, I said, wow, you know what? The people, like all my community, they're all saying, Rob, you're sick a lot lately, right? And she looks at me and goes, you have been. Okay, fair enough. All right. So, yeah. So, you guys are right, I suppose. Anyway, guys, listen. Make sure you get over to the Patreon. Like I said, I just dropped a new swing trade. It is open right now over there. You're not going to want to miss it, guys. It's going to be a phenomenal return on that one. I can feel it. I can feel it in my plums, right? So check it out. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. We're live most days. We got open mic weekends, community events, giveaways, all kinds of stuff, guys. Technical analysis training, educational content, live one-on-one coaching calls, and so much more. So check it out today. Alex, will we be seeing a Patreon live tonight? Thanks, brother. I literally just answered that question. So I'm going to try and see how my throat feels, see how my voice feels shortly. But it's starting to cave on me right now. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys hopefully shortly. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.